If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to Solana video update. Right, so Solana is making waves, it's making some noise out there, and right now let's talk about it. So basically we are up at $24. I gave you a $21 technical target that is already met, and right now you have this one resistance right there, another resistance right here, and you have another resistance right there. So basically we can expect Solana to try and come above and break this downtrend like this, backtest the downtrend, and from here start an uptrend a little bit. Well, I was waiting for $4 down there. If it doesn't matter, okay, fine, amazing. A little bit of disappointment, yes it is, but you know, we started down here. It's not, I told you the targets from this area. We started at when it was at $9 and I gave you $13, right? From $14 I gave you this bull pennant right there, and then we started to move up to 17. From 17 yesterday I gave you the $21. So basically if you are a trader, you go step by step and you can see how many trading opportunities you had right over there, even though you might have been waiting for the technical targets to the downside, but you could have taken advantages of patterns right there. Even though, I mean, it's still in play, that $4, technically speaking or logically speaking, it should be met still. Okay, now you do have this one resistance, but it doesn't really stop there, and you do have this another area that you need to break out of, and this is where the problem really was to begin with. So you have left shoulder, the head, and you have this right shoulder right here, and that's just not me, but I'm telling you that this is still pointing down, and this was where you broke out. Now it's showing $3, yeah, but $4 is what we saw on the weekly. So you went up short to 8.17, and now you're still, I don't know now. It's actually pretty hard to say if you've bottomed out or not, because this is for the first time you've actually crossed you know, the 55, the 10, and the 20, and now you're about to get a bullish cross like this. So basically my take about this one is that if you come above $24, $25, go all the way to $28 and back test $22.57, then you can see a very nice bull cross happening right here. The EMAs can actually start to push to the upside. You make a cross, you come down, and from here you can actually start to ride all the way maybe to the moon. If it wants to go back to the moon, I cannot tell you that. And that's pretty much it for this update right now. So be careful, keep an eye on this resistance line right here. It is a resistance nonetheless, and you cannot actually be confirmation biased that it's going to go up. If you break it, amazing. Break it, back test it, boom, push to the upside, continue on with the technical targets. And in my opinion, you do have a pattern. I'm going to tell you, if you do something like that, then you can see you're coming down like this. You have a bowl shape kind of a bottom right there, and you take the top to the bottom again, and that can actually take you to $89 if you do something like that. So that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.